Good morning, YouTube. Last night we got a bunch of snow and I'm getting ready to take Teddy on his daily walk. And I figured I'd take you guys along. So come along. Teddy, could we get ready to go on a walk? Yeah? Okay, we gotta put on your vest. So it snowed a bunch last night and Teddy here needs to go potty. So we're gonna go for a walk. Come here. Let's put this vest on. And it's really cold. So hey, we gotta put on this vest. Oh, and because it snowed a bunch, they throw down rock salt. We're gonna put on this Mushroom Secret. Come on. Come here. Teddy, come. Come. Gotta get your back legs. Come on. Yeah, this stuff is kind of greasy. As you can see, it leaves little paw prints. So try to do them outside if you're gonna use it on your dog. My feet are gonna get buried in the snow. Let's see how it looks. Teddy, wait. Wow, it is bright. Oh no, our driveway's not plowed. Well, that's not good. We're having people over tonight for Super Bowl. Wow, I cannot see. The snow is blinding. Yeah, for those who don't deal with snow, when you get snow, you either have to shovel the snow yourself or have someone come and plow it using their truck. And I don't know if you could tell on camera, but my driveway is super steep. It's like a 45-degree angle, so it kind of makes it hard for me to shovel this. So we usually have a guy that comes with his truck and you know, plows us out, but it's already like 12 in the afternoon and he's not here yet. I'm guessing he's been up all night plowing other people's driveways because the snow actually stopped around like midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, I mean, we got a good amount. And that pile is from the last snowstorm we had earlier this week. And this guy here is gonna have an issue going potty because this stuff is pretty deep. And he's a small dog. Okay, come on. Fresh snow. They said we're supposed to get like 8 inches. I think we only got like maybe 4. Who knows? They always get it wrong. But yeah, we definitely need to get plowed out. Look at this. Oh, Teddy. But the public roads look great. But see what I mean about the salt being thrown down? That helped melt all the ice and the snow away. Which is great for driving, but terrible for dogs' paws. It's hard to see. So bright with the sun reflecting off the snow. These guys are snowed in. They started shoveling. Yeah, I'm not doing that. At least their driveway's not as bad as ours. Also, for those of you that are a bit older, gotta be careful with snow shoveling because yeah, a lot of people end up getting heart attacks. You know, they go out first thing in the morning and start, you know, shoveling their driveway. And yeah, it'll get you. Oop, car coming, Teddy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Yeah, they don't give you much space here. Oh. Good boy, Teddy. Mission accomplished. Yeah, usually when I take Teddy on a walk, it's about half an hour, 40 minutes. And yeah, we try to do that once a day. And if I'm not here to do it, we have a lady that comes by, a dog walker, and she'll take Teddy on a walk. But it's overall such a nice day. Look, clear skies. I mean, it's still frigid cold. It's like 32 degrees right now. But overall, it's nice. Nice day. Teddy has a friend that lives in this house. He's barking at Teddy. No, not today. Come on. You're not going again, are you? Teddy, look how deep you are in the snow. Oh my God. Come on. Yeah, we tried getting boots for Teddy, but he was not having it. I mean, what do you guys do? For those that live in snowy conditions, what's the best solution? Just keep doing what I've been doing, applying Musher's secret to his paws, or try to get him to adapt to wearing boots? I don't know. Because one time when I was walking, I saw there was a bunch of glass, broken glass on the ground, and I was terrified for Teddy. I didn't want him to potentially cut his paws, so there's that aspect. I don't know. Sir, what are you doing? Teddy? You're like a frozen statue. Ted, can we go? Or do you just like standing in snow? Deep snow. How are you gonna get out of there? Oh! Look at how deep this is. You're insane. Come on. So when we do get snow, the roads get plowed by a plow truck. And when that happens, snow gets built up on the side of the road. And as you can see, the road gets more narrower, and it makes it difficult for us to go on a walk safely with oncoming traffic. What we normally do is, if we do see a car coming, we have to jump in our neighbor's yard and let the car pass through, like now. There's a car coming. Teddy, stay. So we're just gonna have to stay, and this guy's being nice, driving over the yellow line. Good boy, good boy. Come on, come on. Prime example right there. Super dangerous, but that guy was cool. He drove on the opposite side of the road, and he wasn't speeding. How's it going? How are you? Come on. Come on. Come on, we're going home. Come on. Teddy just wants to say hi to everyone. Car coming. Hold on. Let's go. Let's go. We are back. And still not plowed out. The neighbor's kids are shoveling the driveway. Maybe they'll come over and shovel ours. Teddy's having a hard time. It's like up to his knees. Quick pee. Come on, Ted, let's go inside. Gotta wipe you off and give you a treat. Oh, my ears feel like they're gonna freeze off. Yeah, I have a hood, but I can't put that on because once I put that on, I lose my peripheral vision. And I can't have that if I'm walking in the middle of the road. Speak of the devil.
Chill.
Nice, look at all that snow. They're sliding.
What?
They're sliding. So it's like a controlled slide. Gotta dry you off. Oh, you are soaked. I gotta wipe his paws.
Yeah, all the salt.
All the salt. There's so much salt. I gotta get your back legs. Excuse me. I know you hate this. Hold on, Ted. Hold on. I gotta get all this stuff off your legs, your paws. Look, it's all brown. All right, Ted, come on. Let me get your vest off. Get it off. All right. Sit, buddy. Paw. Other paw. Stay. 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 Okay, go. You love this stuff, huh?